Hey there, English learners! Welcome to Your Next English, the channel that helps you speak English confidently, clearly, and naturally every single day. If you've ever felt nervous when speaking English, or your mind goes blank trying to find the right words, this video is for you. Because today, I'll show you how to stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English, the secret to real fluency. Most people think fluency means speaking fast, but that's not true. Fluency means speaking smoothly and naturally without stopping too much to think or translate. It's about flow, not speed. Even native speakers pause, but they pause naturally. So your goal isn't to sound like a robot. Your goal is to speak like a confident human being. Why you translate? Now, why do we translate in our heads? Because that's how we learned English in school. Word by word, rule by rule. But real English doesn't work that way. When you translate, your brain is doing double work, first understanding your language, then finding English words. That's slow and stressful. So, if you want fluency, you must train your brain to think directly in English. All right, here's how to do it. Ready? Step 1. Start with short thoughts. When you look around, describe what you see. I'm drinking water. The sky is blue. I feel tired. Do it out loud if you can. The goal is to make English your default voice in your head. Step 2. Stop translating vocabulary. Instead of memorizing words with your language, connect them to images and situations. Step 3. Practice with shadowing. Listen to short English clips, maybe from this channel, Jim, and repeat immediately after the speaker. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence, all at once. Quick speaking practice. Let's practice together for 30 seconds. Repeat after me. I can speak English clearly. I don't need to translate. I think in English. I speak naturally. Perfect. Do this every day, and soon your brain will switch to English mode automatically. If you found this helpful, don't stop here. This is just the first video in our English Fluency Masterclass. Subscribe to Your Next English and join me in the next lesson, where we'll dive into how to sound confident and natural when speaking English. Remember, you're not learning English, you're becoming an English speaker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.